Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about cloud computing management, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Cloud computing management is the process of planning, deploying, monitoring and optimizing cloud computing resources. It is a complex task that requires a deep understanding of cloud computing technologies and best practices. In this video we'll discuss the different aspect of cloud computing management and we'll provide some tips for managing your cloud computing resource effectively. Different aspects of cloud computing management. Cloud computing management can be divided into following aspects. Cloud cost management. Cloud cost management is the process of planning. Cloud computing management can be divided into following aspects. Cloud cost management. Cloud cost management is the process of planning, tracking, optimizing your cloud computing costs. This includes understanding your cloud spending patterns, identifying areas where you can save money, and implementing cost savings strategies. Cloud security management. Cloud security management is the process of protecting your cloud computing resources from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or distraction. This includes implementing security policies, procedures, monitoring your cloud environment for security threats, responding to security incidents. Cloud performance management. Cloud performance management is the process of monitoring and optimizing the performance of your cloud computing resource. This includes identifying and addressing performance bottlenecks and scaling your resources up or down as needed, and ensuring that your applications are performing as expected. Cloud compliance management. Cloud compliance management is the process of ensuring that your cloud computing environment complies with all applicable law and regulation. This includes understanding of your compliance requirements, implementing the necessary controls, and monitoring your environment for compliance issues. Tips for managing your cloud computing resource effectively. Here are some tips for managing your cloud computing resource effectively. Define your cloud computing strategy. Before you start using cloud computing, it is important to define your cloud computing strategy. This should include your goals for using cloud computing, the application and the data that you will move to the cloud, the cloud computing services that you will use. Choose the right cloud computing providers. That there are a number of different cloud computing providers available, each with its own strength and weakness. It is important to choose the cloud computing provider that best meets your needs, and design your cloud computing environment. Once you have chosen a cloud computing provider, you will need to design your cloud computing environment. This includes choosing the right cloud computing services, configuring your resources, implementing your security measures. Monitoring your cloud computing environment. It is important to monitor your cloud computing environment to ensure that it is performing as expected, that is secure, and you should monitor your resources uses and your application performance and your security logs. Optimize your cloud computing environment. You should regularly review your cloud computing environment to identify areas where you can save money on improve performance. This may including scaling your resources up or down, changing your cloud computing services, or implementing new security measures. In conclusion, cloud computing management is a complex task, but is essential for ensuring that your cloud computing resources are used effectively and securely. By following the tips above, you can manage your cloud computing resources effectively and get most out of the cloud computing. That's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.